I don't know, but I think it means a health understanding.
I don't know. But what I think it means is maybe like books and like articles written about health.
I think health literacy is knowing and understanding the health of the body and everything that plays a part within it.
I don't know, but I think health literacy is something to do with health research.
I would say that is knowing what you eat and drink or smoke and how it affects your health.
Know it's about something about health.
Literature about health?
Yes. In my opinion, health literacy would be knowledge of one's own health.
So how well our health, how well we're managing our own health.
Oh no, I don't know. No, I can't. I don't know what you mean. Sorry, I'm sorry.
So your blood pressure was 152/92, and this indicates that you are at high risk for cardiovascular disease. So I'm going to write you a hypertension medication to lower your blood pressure. So you're going to take 2 tablets of this 2 times a day without food, and then I'll see you in 3 weeks.
Okay, so you told me my blood pressure was high,
Yes.
and I have to take medicine now twice a day
Yes.
Okay.
Without food.
with no food.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, so here's your script for hypertension medication. I'll see you in 3 weeks.
I do not understand this.
All right, so your blood pressure was 152/92. This indicates that you're at higher risk for cardiovascular disease. I'm going to write you a script for hypertension medication to lower your blood pressure. You're going to take 2 tablets 2 times a day without food, and then I'll see you in 3 weeks.
¿Qué? ¿Qué? No habla inglés, no comprende.
Blood pressure was 152/92, and this indicates that you are at high risk of cardiovascular disease. So I'm going to write you a script for hypertension medication to lower your blood pressure. And you're going to take this 2 tablets 2 times a day without food, and you're going to come back in 3 weeks.
I have no idea what this means.
All right, let's get down to business.
Well, that would mean that you would understand how to help yourself in terms of your cardiovascular health, which would be eating healthy, exercising, going to your doctor, and everything that would help in terms of your heart health.
Well, if you know about like what cardiovascular disease is and like how to treat it and how you can like better avoid it.
Health literacy is important in understanding family history, genetics, patient history, and being able to use proper knowledge on a working basis of cardiovascular disease and cardiovascular health in order to promote wellness as well as significant treatment and prevention for certain cardiovascular diseases.
Health literacy.
Health literacy.
Health literacy.
Health literacy is the degree to which individuals have the capacity to obtain, process and understand basic health information and services needed to make appropriate health decisions.
It affects cardiovascular disease because many people do not understand verbal or written instructions from their cardiologist.
For example, their doctor may prescribe hypertension medication to reduce blood pressure, and someone who is hard of hearing could misunderstand the reasons why they must take it.
Someone with low vision may have difficulty reading a prescription properly and could unintentionally abuse the drug.
Many Americans may not primarily speak English, therefore going to the doctor without a translator could hinder their health. Someone who doesn't understand what benefits a medication would provide them are more likely to stop taking it.
Other risk factors for cardiovascular disease
Cardiovascular disease.
Cardiovascular disease.
Cardiovascular disease.
Cardiovascular disease
include smoking, obesity, and diabetes. If an individual doesn't know or understand the negative effects of smoking or a lack of exercise, they will continue these bad habits.
77 million U.S. adults have basic or below basic health literacy.
9 out of 10 adults lack the skills required to effectively control their disease.
Only 12% of Americans have proficient health literacy skills.
Say that again? This thing isn't quite working right.